Hello friends, if you are not happy with your performance of reading comprehension, this video is going to help you a lot. In this video, we are going to discuss what is RC, reasons of poor score and how to tackle. So be with me, I'm Hassan Raja. First of all, what is RC? Actually, RC means reading comprehension, and in reading comprehension there will be a passage and there can be more than one paragraph in this passage. Along with there will be a question related to same passage. Now, reasons of poor score. Remember, there can be three reasons of poor score. First of all, poor reading. Second, clueless questions. And third is confusion in elimination. It is very important to know how to read. So reading means what? Complete sense of understanding. Same time, what to read. Remember, all the words are not important. At the same time, all the sentences are also not important. So we should know what to read. At the same time, information. Generally, readers want to grasp all the information from the passage, and that is actually an error. So we should ignore grasping all the errors, but we should know what information is important for us. Second, clueless questions. What is mean of clueless questions? Clueless question means type of questions, location of questions, and sense of question. Remember, in general, readers look at question as a simple question and they never evaluate it, and that is why they make error or they pick incorrect option. Remember, a reader should know types of question, because in passage the question can be related to whole passage, can be related to particular paragraph, can be related to particular information, and even it can be inference, means what? More than information. At the same time, location of question is also important. Remember, because question can vary, and that is why location also can vary. It means what? It can be first paragraph, second paragraph, third paragraph, and even whole passage, and sometimes particular sentence. Next is sense of questions. Remember, if questions vary, it's in what? Its answer will also vary, and that is why we should know what is asked in the question, and accordingly we should find answer. Confusion in elimination. So confusion can be based on meaning, can be based on words, and can be based on suitable information. When reader goes to options and when starts eliminating, in that case readers generally look at meaning part. Second, reader start matching words given in the passage and given in option. Next is suitable information. So whatever information a reader gets or understand from the passage, the same information he or she start matching in the option, and that is why they get confused in elimination. So we should understand what is sense of reading comprehension to get rid of all the problems. Remember, reading comprehension means comprehend, analyze, and apply. If a reader or a test taker understand these 3 points, he can get rid of all the issues and he or she will never fall on incorrect option. So what is mean of comprehend? Comprehend means get summary of the passage. It's been not total information but partial information. At the same time, analyzing means what? Evaluate passage as a critic. Remember, reading should not be to enjoy, reading should not be to just go through, but as a critic there should be evaluation. It's been what? Why the information has been given, and what is the pros, what is the cons, where is negative, where is positive. All things should be evaluated on the basis of there should be summary. And next is apply. When we go to option should be picked on the basis of evaluation. So whatever the idea has been taken from the passage, that idea should be applied in the option, and that is called implementation. How to tackle? Number 1, read the passage to get main idea. It means passage should be read to understand the central point, main point. As I said that all the paragraphs are not equally important. And that is why, first of all, we should understand that what is the central information. Because all the questions that are asked are related to main idea. No question can get out of main idea. Why? Because intention of writing is to share some information, and that is called main idea. Next is know the tone of the passage. Remember, passage is written in three ways. First of all, explanation, that is called positive tone. All the passages are written to explain something, and that becomes positive tone. The second one, the passage is written to analyze. It means what? Positive and negative both points are discussed. Third is criticism. If there is any policy and if policy is written. So if there is any loophole as per writer wants to discuss that loophole, and that is called criticism, and that's called negative tone. So reader should understand the tone of the passage. 2 points matter a lot to pick best option. Number one, main idea, and the second point is tone. With the help of two, the option should be chosen. Why? Because options are always related to these 2 points. Next in specific word and opposite information. Option should be picked as per center point or tone, though the questions vary. Yet what should be ignored? Remember, if any option contains specific word, it should be ignored. If option contains opposite information, and opposite information can be understood after looking at question and passage. Next is matching the word. Remember, word should not be matched in the option. Information should be matched. So before ending, 3 important points. First of all, know how to read. In that case, first para matters a lot. Second, the way it should be read. It's in what? Tone should be understood. The third, elimination. In case of elimination, main point and tone helps a lot. I hope the points I have shared will help you a lot, and now you will enjoy reading comprehension. Thank you for your patience.